Alright, good morning y'all. So today I'm gonna show you my daily routine, and so as you just saw, I just brushed my teeth and I washed my face with just water. Sometimes I use a daily cleanser, but I don't really think it's necessary. I mean, I do have a very oily face. Like sometimes I wake up to like OPEC knocking on my door for embargo oils, just like that right now. And we're gonna jump into the hairstyling part now. I got from Odas. I only have like the limited releases because I don't really buy pomades anymore because I have too many. Insert picture here. But I'm gonna use the one product I do have that you can immediately buy from Odas, which is their standard pomade. But it's not like greasy glow, it's like a healthy glow. I've been using this technique since I had like 5 inches of hair, so it's grown a little bit since pomade and comb. Anything else is just gonna be unnecessary. It's not really gonna help you at all, in my honest opinion. The first thing we're gonna do is wet our hair just a little bit. In the center, in the front, and if you have sides, get it on the sides too, because it makes applying product much easier. Alright, so the hair is a little wet. We're gonna distribute the water a little bit better with our comb. We're gonna start off with about this much. Again, the technique doesn't change at all since I had shorter hair. I just have to use more product now. So we're gonna start off in the back, just so that way we don't weigh down the front, if that makes sense. So, what I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna work it like in layers because my hair is longer, so this is the easiest way to get down to the roots. It still tugs, even though it's a very slick product. I think I just missed the water in the back, that's why. So we're gonna grab a little bit more, and it's gonna go to the sides. That's a lot easier if you have sides. Alright, well I didn't lose any hairs earlier, now I lost about maybe 6 strands of hair. For the front, you don't need that much product at all. We're gonna use like this much, and I like put it on each finger. And then we're just gonna run it to the front real quick. Alright. So I only lost about 3 strands, which is not too bad. Alright, so now we're going to slick the hair back just to uniformly distribute the product around. Like, it keeps the hair, lets the hair settle in a backwards formation, so that way it doesn't, you know, want to flop forward throughout the day. We're going to switch to the narrow teeth now. Really, I guess, lock it in, if you want to call it that. I should like read a book or something. My life was kind of this morning is really weak. My hair grows out like this, as opposed to like, you know, left or right. It grows out like this, so it would naturally just be too fragile if I pumped it like the way James the Pump does it. So I'm gonna go have my coffee and pastry right now. Back. I'm gonna show you how to finesse the hair a little bit. I'll go the other way because I guess it's not working. That's it. I'm gonna have my house at Odas brand. Alright, so for this last step, I put on my Odas brand t-shirt. I walk out the door right behind me right here, and then I probably get in my car and like drive onto oncoming traffic. Like and subscribe to Odas